Good morning. So in the last couple of videos I've done for y'all, it's just been on showing you how to put the sourdough yeast rolls together with the starter that you make from scratch. Well, I'm going to do this video, but I'm also going to put in my comments and my link on, I'll put some links on there, and I will give you some instructions on how to start your starter so that you can start doing that. I realize I probably should have done this video first, but anyway, I'm going to do it now because I've got several things that I want to add to this so that you'll be able to do that. But in the meantime, I was doing my devotion this morning on prayer, and we all know the Lord's Prayer, but I focused in on Matthew 6:11 when Jesus says, "Give us this day our daily bread," at how God knows our every need needs to be met, and no pun intended on the need because it's N-E-E-D, but we need our daily bread, and that includes, you know, your food and, you know, whatever you need to sustain yourself physically to get through the day. So today with this, I was just going to show you, I had gotten it out this morning, my sourdough out of the refrigerator, and it has a little bit of bubbles in it. You need to feed it every so many days. I think I do mine every second or third day if I'm not making anything. You can make sourdough rolls like I showed you earlier in another video. You can make cinnamon rolls, which my grandchildren and my family love. You can make bread. I've made some rosemary bread that you can dip in your oils, and it just makes, you know, several different things, just like you would use regular yeast, but you use your sourdough starter. So I'm going to stir this a little bit. This morning I already fed it, but what I'm going to do right now, since I fed it this morning, is sitting out at room temperature. It's out of the refrigerator, and I'm going to let it sit here probably for a couple of hours. I'm going to run to the grocery. Today's grocery day, but I'm going to let it sit here, and it will start developing a lot of bubbles. It'll bubble up, and when it does that, that means it's ready to mix into a recipe. Like I said, I will put a recipe. I'm going to try to do an easy recipe so you can get your starter started and be able to do this on your own. But there again, I will put some things out on this particular video to show y'all how to start your starter, and then as we go through this process, I will give you some more recipes as I come across them. Okay? Thank you, and y'all have a blessed day.